Hello children, today I am going to teach you a new painting with a poster color. Okay, for that you needed a round brush, a plain sheet or a notebook. Okay, and the color should be, these colors should be there: black, the dark blue. Okay, the number also it's visible to you, what number, the medium blue, okay, and the white. This four color you have to take, water in the bowl or a waste cloth. Okay, so let's start. First you have to wet your sheet with a thick brush. You have to wet your sheet. Okay, see, first I dipped in the water, my brush I dipped in the water. Now see, it's empty, it's not having any water. Then you have to dip it again and you have to spread water on your sheet until your brush is dry. Don't dip again and again. Now my brush is dry, again I dipped in the water and I wetting the sheet. Now see, my sheet is wet. Now you have to take the darker blue and see, I have taken from down to up in the horizontal side. You have to go it, okay? See. See, from down to up you have to go, okay? Little more dark. Set on the corner only, not in that middle. Okay, now you have to take the medium blue. The medium blue you have to take and you have to continue with the dark blue. Now you are able to see that both the colors are mixed. Now at the last you have to take white. The white color you have to take and from the top to down you have to do the white color in the middle of that, okay? Again wash your brush, make it dry because already your sheet is wet, and take the white color and then again mix with the blue. The stroke you have to give, like in the blue the white line should be visible. Again wash your brush, make it dry, and again the white color and then in the middle of it. Evenly, see. Now again wash your brush, make it dry and same white color you have to take and then apply on the top itself. See, like this. Okay, you can do more white here. Okay, now wait for dry it, then we will do the next step. See the final look, it will become like this. Okay, this is the stain that in under the water. Okay, the water is there and the light is coming on the top. Okay, this is the under the sea, and on the top the light reflection is coming inside the water. Okay, but you are under the water, that view is visible here. Okay, now we will make a tortoise with the black. See children, before we will make tortoise, what you have to do, so you have to take the white color. Okay, you have to dip your brush inside the water and you have to take white. Okay, now with the help of another brush you have to spread the white dots. For making far, you have to keep your brush in the long, very high direction, then only the small dots will become. Okay, for giving the big dots you can go near the sheet. Okay, the dots are there. Now wait for dry it, then we will make a tortoise with the black. See children, now we will make a tortoise. Okay, please make it after your sheet is dry. Okay, to take the thinner brush. Okay, see, this is not a thick as much, and black color, and then see, first you have to make a oval. Okay, fill it. Then make the face. Make the hand. And legs and a tail. Okay, make it more dark as you can make it. Okay, so like that you can make small, big, different types of tortoise, like sizes in different area. Okay, make it. See children, total 4 tortoise I made it. Okay, see the view, like under the sea water is the view. Okay, quick mixing are there, anything is difficult to do. Okay, if any doubt you having, so you can ask me in the comment box. Okay, like and share it and subscribe the channel. Okay, thank you.